What up, y'all? Got the XXRs on the back of the truck. About to clean them up, man. Get ready to throw them back on the whip. Oh yeah, y'all know what time it is. You hear the birds chirping, the weather's getting nice. It's time to clean these junk up. I don't know how good the camera, what justice the camera does, but they are dirty though. You don't know how good you can see like dirt and stuff around there. It's like, man, I gotta clean these joints up. I put them on. About to take it down to the car wash now, because I ain't got no power washing down here at my house. I'm taking it down to the car wash and power wash them first. And I might come here back to the house and scrub them up a little bit, polish them up a little bit though. All right, man, they shine up pretty good. I got the wheels all cleaned up now. About to go there, get ready to throw these joints on there, get the car situated. Look at them though. Oh, I ain't seen my rims this shiny in a minute. It's been a little bit. Oh, they look good though. Seen a little couple water spots, man. Trying to get a little found a little wipe down on them. I always like to clean my rims like real good before I put them back on. I just feel like that's the best you can clean them though, like when they're not on the car though, for real though. Especially these XXRs though. But that's all right though. They shining though. Man, and this joint working. I had to do some more stuff before I put the wheels on. Man, I want to take my bumper off and I'm going to put my fog lights back on. I had to take them off too for a minute. About to throw them joints back on. And I took this extra little plastic stuff off. I don't even want that joint no more. Like every time I be putting my rims on, I think my rims be rubbing it though. So I'm about to throw my bumper back on and whatnot. Put my fog lights on there. I'm going to change out these wheels first and I'm going to throw my bumper stuff back on. Let y'all check that joint out. All right, y'all, we getting there, man. Got the front on. Got up to put both of them on. Put the other side on too. Y'all can see this joint. She's shining too. I like the stance on these joints. About to go ahead, throw the back on right quick. Throw them back ones on right quick. Then I'm gonna come back off camera. I'm just gonna put my front and stuff back together. I'm gonna get it here in a minute. That's the stance for right now, y'all. I gotta throw the rest of it back on, but yeah, we ready. She up there. Looking good, looking good. Man, them rims turned out alright though when I cleaned them up before I threw them on though. Them joints just shiny. Alright, I gotta get my front together back. I gotta get my front back right now though, man, so y'all can see how the rest of this joint gonna look. She ain't bad, man. She ain't bad. Turned out looking alright, I think. Still got some touch-ups and work to do. Put my side skirts back on too. Man, I'm mad that I ended up sanding down my bumper and that fender over there and didn't even repaint them. That's when I sanded down my hood too, but I ended up getting a new hood now. About to be throwing that joint on soon, so y'all stay tuned for that video, man. That's gonna be popping up. But yeah, that's what she's looking like. Current status right now, man. Put the fog lights back in. I'll let y'all see them joints here in a minute. What they look like lit up. If y'all ain't seen them before, I know y'all seen it. If anybody stay tuned to my page. Anybody stay update to my page. You done seen these right here before. I got them hooked up with my park lights. They pop on, park lights pop on down there. Oh yeah, we ready though. We ready, man. Next thing I'm gonna do is that hood right there. Then I may redo my interior lights down here. Redo these blue lights. Cause I ain't even hooked this one back up, and I got one over there that's not hooked up. And my new hood, I'm thinking about putting some blue lights in that joint. So yeah, that's the motivation right now, man. Got the rims back on the XXRs. These are here out 16s, if I ain't said before. But man, this is it right here, man. This has been your boy right here, BeastieBoyDrumma. Catch y'all in the next one. Beastie Carmars out.